get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody, girl. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working with a new company. I've never worked with this company before, so I'm so excited to be working with them in today's video. This wig is from truegloryhair, so thank you to truegloryhair for sponsoring today's video. And I just want to say, y'all, their packaging was so beautiful to me. Like, this box was like just so good quality. The wig was like wrapped perfectly. The packaging was just so amazing, so I really loved how they packaged their items. I will be installing a closure wig in today's video. This is their Brazilian deep wave wig, as y'all can see. I did bleach the knots in here and I did pluck it a little bit. I might pluck it a little more. I just went ahead, I put some makeup on my lace as well. The quality of this hair so far, I haven't even done anything to it. As y'all can see, like I said, I just bleached the knot and the hair just feels so amazing, y'all. And you guys can see the curls are obviously not defined, but from the looks of it, I can tell that this wig is gonna be real popping. Like, it's so pretty. I'm gonna try to give y'all like a 360 of this wig real quick, like what it's giving. And I believe that this is a 20-inch wig, so y'all can see. So I'm really excited for this install, y'all. I think this install is gonna be super fire and I can't wait. So let's get started. I'm just so like, I wish y'all could like feel this hair through the screen. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, y'all. Like, it feels so good. I'm just gonna do a simple middle part in today's video. I was gonna do a side part, but I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna do a middle part with some cute little baby hairs, nothing too crazy. First thing we're gonna do is just cut off this lace. So to apply this wig, I think I'm just gonna use some Got To Be glue spray.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody, girl. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit,
Simple middle part, so I'm just gonna use my rat tail comb. Try to get this in the middle as possible. I don't know what it is, y'all, but it seems like I can never get my parts like directly in the middle. I don't know why. It always just seems crooked.
Evidence we misaligned and I'm more in love with you. Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face. Figure me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get on without you. It's a shame and I can't blame myself for loving you. You do it. All that I know is there was a side of me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit,
Still with it when you want it, got to keep me, I am chill. Don't drill when you see me out here with my new beach eyes. Still, ain't go round, even though you got it. I can pretend you was my main nigga, bet you love this how that feel. Out of my way, you out of pocket, need vision, but you can't trust decision. We could near me, get myself caught in your crossfire. You a wild one. And I'm waiting and you like it's cool, water like it's cool when you pull up with a nigga and it's not all that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think
So I'm gonna do baby hairs, but for some reason I want to do like real light baby hairs. Like I don't want my baby hairs to be dramatic. So what I'm gonna do is take a real small section of hair from the front. Baby hair is such a subtle look because I really don't want to do too much because I just feel like it'll look better with this hair. I just feel like it'll look more natural if the baby hairs are like more thin. That's the look that I'm going for. Because if y'all know, usually I do like the big dramatic baby hairs, but for some reason it's giving I just want to do like real thin baby hairs with this wig.
Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face. Trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get on without you. It's a shame and I can't blame myself for loving you. You do it, dear. All that I know is there was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit,
Still with it when you want it, got to keep me, I am chill. Don't drill when you see me out here with my new beach eyes. Still, ain't go round, even though you got it. I can pretend you was my main nigga, bet you love this how that feel. Out of my way, you out of pocket, need vision, but you can't trust decision. We could near me, get myself caught in your crossfire. You a wild one. And I'm waiting and you like it's cool, water like it's cool when you pull up with a nigga and it's not